We strongly believe in the saying, if you don't have an assistant, you are one. Let's face it, doing $6 an hour tasks yourself is like putting a $6 per hour price tag on your time. Our virtual assistants, specializing in social media management, SEO, video editing, and more, are available from just $6 per hour. Schedule a call now via the link in the description.
Python developers are like Swiss Army knives. They can just do about anything, from web development to data science, machine learning, and automation. And when it comes to hiring a Python talent, India is a gold mine. But how do you navigate the hiring process to find the perfect match for your project? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's start with clarity. What exactly do you need a Python developer for? Python is a versatile language, so the roles can vary widely. Are you building a web app using the Django or Flask? Maybe you need someone skilled in data analysis with Pandas or machine learning with TensorFlow. Or perhaps you're automating workflows. Whatever the case, outline your project requirements in detail. Think about the scope, the technical stack, and the kind of expertise you need. The more specific you are, the better your chances of finding the right fit. Next, figure out your hiring model. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great for short-term projects, while LinkedIn, AngelList India, and job boards like Naukri are ideal for long-term or full-time hire. Another option is outsourcing. Companies and staffing agencies in India specialize in tech talent. Now, let's talk about the all-important skill assessment. Python beauty lies in its simplicity, but don't be fooled. It takes time to write efficient, scalable code. Evaluate their proficiency in Python basics, like data structure, error handling, and libraries. For specific projects, test their knowledge of relevant frameworks, tools, and best practices. For example, if it's web development, look for the Django expertise. If it's data science, check their grasp of NumPy or Matplotlib. Tools like HackerRank, Codility, and even Custom Coding Challenge can help assess their skills effectively. But wait! Technical skills alone aren't enough. Communication matters, especially when working with remote developers. A good Python developer should be able to explain their thought process and collaborate with your team. During interviews, ask them to walk you through past projects and how they approach specific challenges. Clear, concise explanations are a great sign. Lastly, consider the cultural fit. Indian developers often bring a blend of strong technical expertise and adaptability. Share your team's work style, values, and expectations upfront. Ask how they handle feedback, manage deadlines, and approach problem solving. A developer who aligns your team dynamics will make collaboration much smoother. And there you have it, a structured approach to hiring Python developers in India. By defining your needs, choosing the right model, assessing skills, and ensuring communication and cultural fit, you can build a team that's not just talented, but also a joy to work with. Hiring the right developer isn't just about filling a position. It's about finding a partner who can help bring your vision to life.
Are you looking to outsource your work? Our skilled virtual assistants are available from just $6 per hour. Click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share the video. You can subscribe to our channel for more such content.